Well, the carburetor bits have come. New diaphragms, floats, and all the jets and seals for both of them. So that'll give me something to do today. And get that done within about, I don't know, about an hour, something like that. About an hour, and that'll be it to do all that. I've just put fresh petrol in to give it a good old shake. So I'm just going to drain it now. Right. It stinks like some mad turpy smell. Smell it, eh?
Yeah.
Horrible smell, isn't it? Well, they're shut into that hole. Put the camera there. Just down there. Not this one. Tilt it higher. There's one at the back, and that's where the butterfly has to stop. If you'll see bang in the middle, there's a hole, same as that side, and that's where it's got to stop. So they're perfectly set there. So it's just a matter of unscrewing all these. If they're come undone. In a long time. Right. Got that out. Don't know if you're going to see that. Some of it's blocked, some of it ain't. But that's got to have a good clean. They're being replaced, the floats, as you can see. Look at that. But I have a problem out here. The float jet stuck solid. Look, there you go. That is stuck solid. Look at the green on it. So this carburetor has got to be totally stripped down. Totally stripped down, one at a time. Wonder what's in there. Look at that. I'll have to get that out. That's a job and a half, that is. Because that goes into that top hole. The middle hole, where the jet needle is there, where you can see the middle needle. The one to the right, that's the diaphragm. Well, works diaphragm. That works like this one here. Works off the atmospheric pressure for the diaphragm to go up and down. When you're under load, it lifts up, and when you deaccelerate, it drops down. So it looks like my job's cut out today, I'll tell you. Right, I've took the cap off with the diaphragm. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. See how things quick can fly out? I've took the cap off. As you can see, pretty clean in the top. It's just the bottom where the petrol goes. Look how that's gone since the air's got to it. That's got to be cleaned because that was like brand new when I fitted them last time. Always have a bit of lube on these. I can wipe that off and put fresh on. But the needle, that should just fall out. Yeah, the needle That's all good. Taper on the end's very good. No marks on it, so that's okay. I'll give them a damn good clean. I got brand new ones of them, but they look like still good condition, because I paid £100 for them ones each a good few years back when I stripped them down last time. The rubber carburetors. Now this you can't lose. That's the thing that flew out off the spring. So I know where every screw, nut, bolt goes. I know these carburetors inside out. But if you look in there, it's pretty clean. That's pretty clean, that is. That's got a green tinge to it. Coming round the back to the air filter side of it. Look at that. Got to be cleaned. So I'll be doing that today. And that looks like it's been no, that's all right. Where's the other diaphragm? Oh no, that's how they are, them bits. I thought it was a chunk out, but it's not. It's how it is. It must how it sits. But as I say, it's all good. Just needs a damn good cleaning, really. I am going to replace the float jet. Look at the state of that. Let me zoom out. Have I got anything white? White is your friend when you're doing carburetors, believe you me. There you go. See all of the green on it. You can't clean that. And they were brand new. The actual jet end, the needle part, the black bit there, is it's like brand new still, but it's sticking, you see. But that could be leaving the petrol in. So I haven't used the bike for 2 years, have I? So I've only got myself to blame. Literally, myself to blame. This is how I'm cleaning the pilot jet. You've seen that, didn't you? 1 second, I'll just get it out the drill. That's the old dirty pilot jet. That's my cleaner stuck in it. But look how that's come up. Look how that's come up. Like gold. But I just got to clean it out now, and that's it. You got it?
Yep.
Right, you just watch this and you'll see it all come out the jets. See that? Look at that. Everyone's spotlessly clean. All done. And this is what it looks like. That's the end result. Absolutely spotless. This is the carb reassembled on the top, new diaphragm. In here, this is what I'm on about atmospheric pressure when this goes to the engine, you see. If you watch this, we've got to make sure that's working like that, which it definitely is. Right, as you can see, I've fitted the new jet there. The one I've cleaned, there it screws in, and that's a new one. All the bits are here, nearly all used up. This has got to be 17, which it is, to the top, from the base to, how am I going to do this without, because you see the phone in it. There, 17 there, same as here, 17 on the old one. If you zoom in and have a proper look, you'll see it, 17 So all I gotta do is just put this carb back on, but look at that, we're all cleaned compared to that. So these carbs last for years now, and only E5 petrol is going in them. Well, all done and put back together, both of them. That all new bits, pilot screws, as you see, new floats. Look at that, perfect, absolutely perfect. 17mm height for the floats. And what I'm going to do, once it's on the bike, I've got a connector here that screws in there. That's the drain plug. What I'm going to do is put it on, strap it to the side, so you get a hose from here. Let me wait a minute, do it a bit clearer. Keeps dragging it, that's it. That's it, right. Drain plug, unscrew, hose, run it up the side. That's how they stand. I'll cable tie the hose to it, mark 17mm from there to here, and then see roughly how far she goes up. But they're all measured anyway and double checked with a steel rule and the Vernese caliper, the digital one. Just turn it on. 16.9, 17 in it. But you're allowed, I think it's a mil or two either way, but I like them bang on. So they should just fire up when I put them in. Where's the petrol one? Yeah, that's the overflow. That's got to stay down. That one there. That one there's overflow. The vacuum, fuel, main fuel, and vacuum. Yeah, that's the main fuel. Goes down to the steel bar to fill the floats. That's one pair of carburetors done. I bet you could sell them for loads if you wanted to, but I'd be bikeless then. But they've all come up clean, as you can see. Look at that, spotlessly clean. Good job on them carbs. And I know they work because I did last time I done it. I know what I'm doing. And the old seals, I don't need them. Just keep on as an emergency. But that's everything done. Right, I put the carbs back in. I've got to adjust the levers properly, and I've got to put these, I can't get them on at the moment, they're a bit awkward. I might have to take the carb back out and get them in hot water. But listen to this, people. Are you ready? Seat choke's working perfect. Just got to set it and that's it. Off, on. Look at that. Once it's running, I think why it's a bit funny because I ain't got the air filter box on properly. But once that's done, it's going to be a presto. The man is done. Mad, isn't it? Genuine Kawasaki part. Have a guess what it is. You know, my bike's 35 years old, but look, I still do the peacock or petrol tap, as people call them over here, and in America they call them petcocks. Yeah, brand new. Genuine Kawasaki. £100. It's not bad, is it? £100. Well, boy, just got the fan in there. Started it up. Needs a bit of settling. She's had a new air filter today. Ticking over sweet enough. But something's just not quite right. It's not smooth as I like it to be. Well, I've let it cool down. I've been fettling with it. I've been messing around with it. Touching this, screwing that, doing this and that as you do. But watch this. You ready? I'm nearly out of petrol again. Alright, but that's it, done. She lives again. She's got a pulse, she's got a heartbeat, and the blood's pumping around. So I'm going to make myself a lovely brew now. Oh yeah, them police that are here for 2 hours checking my CCTV. Somebody had been stabbed up Bell Green, and there was gunshots as well. So they took 2 hours of my footage. I ain't bothered, I didn't care. But I'm glad the bike's done. I just got to put her back together now. I've got the new, as you know, petrol tap, peacock or whatever you call it, petcock. The filters in, I've gone for them. And same down there. But we're all done now, everything's sorted. So I've just got to run her down, get her MOT'd. And that'll be it. Shut the door on her.